What you're seeing and hearing is a Realistic Minimus-7 receiver, which was the receiver meant to go with the speakers you see, which are Realistic Minimus-7s. This system was put together in 1977 by Radio Shack as a response to the ADS mini speakers that were taking the nation by storm at the time. Now, the Minimus-7s that you see here and here have been modified considerably. They have the new Zilch crossover design built into them. If you look that up on the internet, just look up Zilch crossover, you'll see what it is. That greatly improves the sound of the speakers. They've also got new speaker terminals, which I'll show you a picture of here. The receiver, as I say, is the System 7 receiver. This receiver is rated at 10 watts per channel, but it actually creates more like 16 watts per channel. And it was designed to go with these Minimus-7s. Then on top is an Optimus, which is also realistic, 10-band stereo frequency equalizer with a spectrum analyzer built into it. This whole system is for sale at Red Bank Vintage Audio. We're asking $300 for the whole thing. It'll make a fantastic little desktop system for someone, or a beginning system for somebody that's just getting into vintage audio. Later on, you can put some bigger, more efficient speakers with it and really rock out. Come see us, 4220 Dayton Boulevard, Suite F in Red Bank, or give us a call, 423-362-1866. We'll talk to you about it. We'll let you come see it, play with it, and let you take it home with you. Talk to you later. Here is Kerry Livgren and AD.